Episode 2, Make It Rain and Pop. What's up guys, it's LT here. Episode 2 is divided into 3 sections, variables, rain falling, and rain pop. So let's get started with the first section, variables. First of all, I'm just gonna file save as a copy because I'm building on this project from the last episode. And I'm gonna make it sound like there's actually rain falling when the green flag is clicked. So I'm gonna go into sounds, search, and look for, there is a rain sound. So we're gonna use that. I'm gonna add start sound rain. I have deleted the sound just so you guys don't get confused, but there is sound playing when I click on the green flag. But it is not playing the complete sound, so I'm gonna switch that into play sound rain until done. So it loops throughout the whole sound, and set volume to 50% so it's not too loud when people play the game. Now I'm gonna click on the raindrop sprite and going to create a variable called game over. And we're going to set game over to 0 when the green flag is clicked. And the raindrop is going to be set size to 20% for now. We're going to create one more variable. This one is going to be called raindrops clicked. And when you start the game, it's going to be 0. Now let's make the rain fall. All right, so to make it look like the rain is falling, we're going to have when green flag is clicked, we're going to use the if-then control block. And inside the if-then control block, we're going to add this equation in here. We're going to say if game over equals 0, which means it's not game over yet. Let's repeat until it is game over. I'm gonna say game over equals 1. Until that happens, please make the raindrop go somewhere. Where? Let's make it go to, let's pick a random number, negative 215 to 215. So it kind of spans the whole width of the game. And I'm gonna leave y to 72, and let's create a clone of myself. And each time this clone is created, let's wait between, let's say for now, 2 to 5 seconds every time a clone has been created, and please do this forever. All right, so we have the basic block there. Now, when I start as a clone, what's going to happen? Well, I said the size is going to be 20%, but actually I want it to be kind of random because I want different sizes of raindrops falling from the sky. So pick random 10 to 20%. And I want the costume to be the raindrop costume. So it actually looks like a raindrop when it's falling from the sky. And I want this raindrop to glide from the sky. How fast? So maybe between 3 to 5 seconds. And the raindrops are going to glide from wherever it started in terms of the X position. And it's going to fall to, let's say, negative 150 in the Y axis. So it's falling down from up to down to negative 150 in the y-axis. And when it has fallen, I want it to slowly disappear. So change ghost effect by 20 and repeat that 5 times. 5 times 20 is 100, so it will completely disappear, and we will delete that clone. Okay, so that is most of the code there. So let's see what this looks like. Green flag has been clicked. Yes, the rain is falling, but it's kind of slow, isn't it? And I don't like how the rain is actually showing right before it clones. So let's fix that. What to fix? Okay, so go back in here. It says, so let's do that 0.1 to maybe 0.5 seconds. Nice. Already it is looking much more natural. That is great. But one more thing. I don't want that raindrop to appear before it clones, so let's hide it when the green flag is clicked. It will only be shown when I start as a clone. So, clean up the blocks. Here we go. Excellent. I love it. It is falling in the sky and it looks very natural now. I'm just going to make a couple adjustments here. The raindrop is a little bit hard to see, so I'm going to lower the saturation just a little bit. Already it is looking much better. So that is great, but I'm just going to change this number a little bit because, yeah, this is all personal preference, but I just think that looks more natural. Now let's do the rain pop section. So when the raindrop is clicked, it needs to pop, and you need to get a score increase by 1 whenever you click on one raindrop. So here you go. So whenever you click on a raindrop, the raindrops clicked variable goes up by 1. And we're gonna make a pop sound when that happens. And of course, change costume to raindrop pop 1. So it looks like the raindrop has actually popped. And let's just wait 0.05 seconds. And after that, we're going to use the ghost effect again because I want the raindrop to slowly disappear once again after it has popped. So we're going to click on the repeat 10. And as you can see, whenever you click on it, you see the costume change and then it slowly disappears. Slowly disappears. Just like that. And that's great. But this raindrop popped costume is hard to see. So when you change it to white, it is much easier to see. So that is just perfect. Just exactly what I need right now. So that is great. Let's just play around a little bit more with the size. I like that there's different sizes of raindrops falling from the sky to make it look natural, right? Because if everything was the same size, it wouldn't look as natural. So I like that. And already you can play this game. You can see the scores going up. There is no time limit yet, but we will get to that very soon. But yeah, that's basically it for today's episode. So don't forget to share how you are doing with us on Twitter by tagging at Ottiya_global and hashtag Ottiya coding. And I will see you guys in the next episode where we will make the game even better and more playable. So see you guys soon. Bye.